In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a new publication on Substack. To get started, head over to the Substack homepage. Once you're there, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click on your account icon. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage different parts of your account and your content. On the Settings page, scroll until you find the section labeled Publications, and click on the option that says Create Another Publication. This begins the process of setting up your new Substack newsletter. Before moving forward, think of a unique and memorable name for your publication, as this name will also become part of your publication's URL. After choosing a name, click Continue to proceed. Next, Substack will ask whether you'd like to import an existing mailing list. If you don't have one yet, you can simply skip this step and build your audience later. You will also be prompted to add subscribers, but this step is completely optional and can be done anytime in the future. Before finalizing your setup, Substack will invite you to recommend 5 other publications. Doing so helps you build connections within the Substack community and can also increase your visibility. Once you've completed all these steps, your new publication is officially created and ready to go. Allah Hafiz.